Create a sample project. Move to newly created project directory and install FontAwesome component, the SVG core, and the React Native SVG library. You need to run the pod install command in order to complete the setup on iOS. Install our free solid, brands, and regular icon styles. If you are a Pro or Pro Max subscriber, you can install additional icons. Once your Pro configuration is complete, you can add Pro icons one by one or all at a time. Open Emulator from Android Studio. You can also skip this step and React Native will automatically launch Emulator when you start your app. Open your project in Visual Studio Code or any other IDE. Clean up initial code and import FontAwesome icon. Start your app and add some icons. Press R if required to refresh the app on the emulator. You can also increase size of icons using size property. Explicitly importing icons into each of many components in your app might become tedious, so you may want to build a library to more easily use our icons in more than one component. So you can import icons just once in some initializing module, add them to the library, then reference any of them by icon name as a string from any component. There's no need to import the icons into each component once they're in the library.